Good job, Eli. Show Mama how you do it. This is your first time feeding yourself with a spoon. You put it in your mouth. You can do it. There you go. Good job. Yeah. Good job, honey.
You heard about Matt Willie, right?
No.
Really?
Good job, baby. Yeah.
Oh.
Do it again. You can get some more food. Get some more food, baby love. You made a website? Eli, get some more. Yum. Yum. Get some right there. Oh, yeah. Thank you for sharing. Emma, you're not excused. Please sit down. Get some more, love. You gotta turn your spoon around like this. There you go. Now try it. That's better. Oh yeah. Messy eater. That's okay. He's learning. Good job, baby. Yeah. Say, I'm one. I'm one. One. Say one.
I'm two. I'm two.
Are you eating some vegetables? Yummy. Yummy. Yeah, you had chimichanga and vegetables. Good stuff.
Mom.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Eli, look here and say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Say,
Bye.
say love you.
Love you.
Huh? Mr. Willie?